Hello, hi everyone. So welcome again. So I'll take a few minutes and look at the company AMD. So we've done a chart on AMD. It's a good company for us because this company does the manufacture of microchips. And if you want to know what a microchip is that when you are looking at your laptop, you will mostly like see a sticker on top of it. So the sticker might be Intel or AMD. So it does not mean that those are the only two companies that produce the microchips, but these are the two famous ones. So AMD, also known as Advanced Micro Devices, is an American multinational semiconductor company based in California. So it develops computer processors and also other microchips. So what you need to know also is that microchips nowadays are used in almost every electronic, and these companies are becoming very valuable to this particular industry because with now the working with from home, everybody wants to use electronics, and with the use of electronics, we can be able to see the demand for microchips has really gone to the roof. And currently, the companies that we have cannot be able to meet the demand that is currently there. So that is fine. So let us just look at some of the financial statements of this company. So all these documents can be found in the website of this company. So you can take your time and look at this company. So we have the net revenue of this company for the year ended 2021 versus 2020. You can be able to see that the net revenue rose from 9 million to 16 million. So that was quite commendable. And the gross profit also rose from 4 million to 7.9 million. So that is nice. And then another thing to note is that we can see that the gross margins for this particular company is at 48%, and at 45% for a company like this that is very big. I think this is commendable. This is a very nice company. Then another thing also to note is that the net income for this company is at $3 million. So that is quite commendable, and we can be able to see that also the pricing, the price or the net income for this company grew from 224,90,000. So that is 2,490,000. So from the previous year, that was 2019, 2020. Then another thing also to note is that the earnings per share is at 2.61. So that is the basic earnings per share. And by that we say the earnings per share is the maximum amount the company can pay to its shareholders, assuming that they use all the income they have attributable to the net shareholders. So what you need to understand also is that the obligations, like a company has two obligations. A company may have obligations to its lenders and also obligation to its shareholders. So what is known as the net worth is what the shareholders could get if everything less the obligations to the lenders is given out, and now the shareholders will have to remain with 2.61 dollars. So for a company like this, a company whose share price is at the share price of this company currently you can see is at $117.69. So if the share price of this company is at $117.69, and this company could give you $2.61 per share, that does not mean that this company is going to give the whole amount to the shareholders, because again, remember, the company has to retain some profits for it to grow itself. So that is nice. So that is something else we need to look at. Then we go to to the the balance sheet. So in the balance sheet, we can also see that the cash and cash equivalents has increased to 2,535,000 from 1,595,000. So that is also commendable, because this cash and other current assets, these are the things that can be used or converted into cash easily. Remember, the balance sheet has three components. Basically, it